Hey everyone, in this video we'll be showing you how to change the email address associated with your two-step verification on WhatsApp for Android. Two-step verification adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a PIN code in addition to your phone number. Your email address is used to reset your PIN if you forget it, so it's important to keep it up to date. To get started, open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to access the menu. From the menu, select Settings. Next, tap on Account and then Two-Step Verification. This will take you to a page where you can manage your two-step verification settings. To change your email address, tap on Change Email Address. You'll be prompted to enter your current email address, followed by your new email address. Make sure to enter a valid email address that you have access to. Once you've entered your new email address, tap on Save. Your email address associated with your two-step verification on WhatsApp for Android has now been updated. It's important to note that if you forget your two-step verification PIN and need to reset it, WhatsApp will send a link to your email address to do so. By changing the email address associated with your two-step verification on WhatsApp for Android, you can ensure that you're able to reset your PIN if you forget it. We recommend keeping your email address up to date to ensure maximum security. And that's all there is to it. Changing the email address associated with your two-step verification on WhatsApp for Android is quick and easy and can help ensure that you're able to reset your PIN if you forget it. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on using WhatsApp and other messaging apps.